the boy born with evil power and the boy born with good power. Long ago, in the peaceful village of Ajat, two boys were born on the same night. The first boy was named Abdul. As a dark storm filled the sky, he was born with mysterious evil powers. With a wave of his hand, he could create fear, summon dark shadows, and destroy anything in his path. The second boy was named David. As the sun broke through the clouds, he was born with good powers. He could heal the sick, protect the weak, and bring light wherever darkness appeared. As they grew older, Abdul became proud of his powers. He frightened villagers, ruined farms, and demanded that everyone obey him. The people lived in fear. David used his powers differently. He rebuilt damaged homes, healed injured animals, and helped farmers grow healthy crops. Soon, everyone loved and respected him. One day, Abdul challenged David to a great battle outside the village. Dark clouds covered the sky as Abdul attacked with powerful waves of darkness. David answered with a bright light that shielded the villagers from harm. The battle lasted until sunset. Instead of destroying Abdul, David used the power of kindness and forgiveness. His light reached Abdul's heart and broke the darkness inside him. Abdul fell to his knees and realized that power without kindness only brings loneliness. He apologized to the villagers and promised to use his gifts for good. From that day on, Abdul and David worked together to protect Ajat. The village became peaceful once again, and everyone remembered that goodness is stronger than evil. Moral: true strength is not found in great power, but in choosing to use your power for good.